In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Facebook business page. If you need to restore a Facebook business page that was deleted or deactivated, the process is actually very simple when you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through each part clearly so you can follow along on your computer without confusion. To begin, log into your Facebook account on your computer. It's important to use the account that has access to the business page you want to recover. If you are signed into the wrong account, the page may not appear in the list later. So take a moment to make sure you are in the correct profile before moving on. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner of Facebook and click the 9 dots menu icon. This opens Facebook's main menu where you can access different tools and sections connected to your account. From there, select Pages. This will take you to the area where Facebook manages the pages you own or help manage. After you open the Pages section, look over to the right sidebar. In that area, you should see a section labeled Deactivated and Deleted Facebook Pages. This is where Facebook stores pages that are no longer active but may still be recoverable. If you don't immediately see it, slow down and carefully scan the sidebar. Since layouts can sometimes appear slightly different depending on your account or updates to Facebook's design. When you find that section, look through the list and locate the page you want to recover. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple business pages with similar names. Once you've found it, click Activate. This tells Facebook that you want to restore the page and make it active again. After activating it, your page should return to your list of active pages. If it doesn't appear right away, give Facebook a moment to refresh, or try reloading the page. In some cases, changes can take a short time to update across the platform, and that's all to it. Thanks for watching.